Hello everyone, Ajav here, and in this video I am going to unbox the Cubelelo Drift 3x3. So without any further delays, let's get started. So this is the cube and we got a blue stand. Cool. So let's put the box aside. Nice stand. Now let's come to the cube. Oh Lord. Wow, the packaging looks cool. Drift 3x3 magnetic Speedcube. 100% genuine products. Okay, that's the cube care card. So the box has one of my favorite colors, black, and it's actually a really good design. It's small but it's really cool. Item name: Cubelelo Drift 3M 3x3 Speedcube magnetic. These are the features of the cube. So let's open the cube.
Bruh.
Oh wait, the X isn't. There we are. Okay. So, let's open up. Oop. Wow. Drift accessories box. Okay. What the? We have another stand. Okay, so here's the cube. Here's the stand. Okay. Oh wow. So we have two stands now. This one got a friend. Okay, so this is the cube. It's frosted plastic. Bit oily because of the lube. And this is light as feathers. I'm feeling like that. I'm feeling as just when I drop this cube, it's going to fly away. Okay, so this boy. Oh Lord. Okay, so we have the accessory box. Let's see what do we get in here. How to solve the cube. There's some interesting stuff here. Let's see. I have never solved this cube, this cube. So maybe this will help me. And oh wow. Here we have a really cool pouch of my favorite color. Obviously red. So let's try some first turns, shall we? 3, 2, 1. What in the world? This cube is amazing. Okay. It's really smooth. One thing I like about this cube is its shades, its turning, and its plastic feel, because I like frosted a lot. So let's check its corner cutting. Nope. Okay. Reverse corner cutting. Okay, I don't remember what reverse corner cutting is. So it does till here, I guess, and then at 45 degrees, it gets a little stuck. It's actually a little hard to control because it's just so oily. That always happens to me when I'm like lubing my cubes and then I can't even hold them properly. So I think this cube has a similar feeling to my actual main, the WRM 2019. The turning is a little bit different. The size, the size is like really like it's barely different. This cube is 55 millimeter and the WRM 2019 is 55.5, which is slightly bigger. 56 millimeter is the original size. So this is the stand and this is the other stand. Oh, we haven't tried M moves with this cube yet. Wow. Hot. This cube is AMAZING. Amazing. I can like do a session, CS timer session with like thousands of solve with this cube. It's just so good and its feeling is so nice. It's so easy to turn. And let's check out how it looks from the inside. Yes, so it has the basic Speedcube structure and its centerpieces look kind of weird to me. Yes. So this cube actually feels like the same as the WRM 2019 in my hands, and this is the thing we haven't checked out yet. The pouch which came with the cube, it's also really nice, and the shades, yes, the shades are my favorite part. Comparing to the WRM 2019 and the GAN 11M Pro, I like these shades more. I like brighter shades. So these are little darker. The green looks almost the same as the WRM 2019. The orange, I like this one like more. This one's like GAN 11M Pro has darker shades. And the WRM 2019 has kind of similar shades, but the blue is a little different and the red is more like darker. And I like this white, yellow more. It's just too bright. So yeah, I really love this cube. So I think I shall do my first solve on this cube. Wait, let me bring my timer. Okay, so let's do a first solve. Let me do a quick hand scramble. Okay. All right. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I did such a bad cross. Oh, let's skip. No. Okay, I got a 16. It's pretty good. I mean, it's a decent solve for me. I got an OLED skip. Let's go. So this logo, it's red. I've only seen it once in the X-Mass 3x3, which X-Man Tornado 3x3, which recently came out. And overall, this cube turns really smooth, and it's quite fast for me to control right now. If you're a beginner, I recommend you to buy this cube and slow it down a little by adding some heavy lube, so it will be good for you. Overall, I really love this cube. Its turning is just so good, and its shades, I always love to talk about shades. The shades are really good too. And the logo, the red logo, I really love it. The red logo is just so OP. Thank you so much, Cubelelo, for making such good cubes like this. I really love this cube, and if you're a beginner, definitely go for it. Don't hesitate to buy it. For more such fun and interesting cube unboxes, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.